Looking for the perfect chin mount for your Arai Tour X5 helmet? Check this out. This is the Flex Slim by MotoRadds, and there's a reason this is the #1 seller on Amazon right now. This is the best completely customizable form-fitted chin mount you're going to find out there. It can be molded to fit nearly any helmet shape perfectly, meaning every mount is a custom mount. Plus, it comes with everything you need to fully mount your camera, so there's no tricky forced upsells. There's no straps on it to get in the way of your visor. It's centered so you get the best point of view, and the frictional strength of it going across each side makes it stronger than any other chin mount. That's just plain simple physics, guys. Literally thousands of riders are using this now, and it's no wonder it's rated #1 on Amazon. So get your Flex Slim by MotoRadds, shape it to fit your helmet perfectly, and protect your camera today.